This video, I'm going to show you how to make glowing text in Capcut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Capcut on your device and sign into your account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the new project button to be able to create a new project on the application. And here, go ahead and head over to the library section. Under the library section, go ahead and select the black background under the library of Capcut. So go ahead and check if that is the correct black background for your video before you add that. Click on that black background and click on the add button to be able to add that to your canvas. After you add that to your canvas, go ahead and click on the text tool under the tool section. Click on add text, and in here, go ahead and enter the text that you want to add for this video. So just go ahead and enter the text. After entering the text, you can customize how the text will look like using the tools available on Capcut, such as the font styles, effects, and animations available on the platform. So go ahead and select the font that you want to use for your text. Head over to styles and select the color that you want to use for your text. You can also add other features for your text depending on how you really want it to look like. Now go ahead and save this text before you go ahead and adjust the length and duration of this text for your video. After that, just go ahead and export this video into your device. Click on the export button at the top right corner of your screen. Now this might take a while depending on how fast your internet connection is. Now go ahead and click on the back button. Here, go ahead and add your exported video. Click on your exported video and click on add. After that, go ahead and move your text into this exported video and delete the black background. So in here, just go ahead and click on your text. You'll need to click on your text to be able to add the animation on your text. So go ahead and customize the color of your text and go ahead and look for the flash animation under the loop section. So just go ahead and scroll down in this section and click on the flash animation. So you can further customize the duration of this effect for your video. After this, you can simply export your video.